Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Nothing to lose by Michael Learns to Rock. There are times when you made me laugh. There are moments when you're driving me mad. There are seconds when I see the light. So many times you made me cry. There's something you don't understand. I want to be your man. Okay, now we go back to our intro. Intro chords are D, A, B minor, G, A sus4, and A. Okay, so picking for D is 4th string, 1st and 2nd string, and then 3rd string, 2nd string, and 1st string. So 4 beats. And then A, 5th string, 1st and 2nd string, and then 3rd, 2nd, 3 beats only. 1, 2, 3. And then B minor, 1, 5th string, 1st and 2nd string, and then 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string, and then back to 3rd string, and then lift off your middle finger, 3rd, 2nd and 1st string, and then put it back, 2nd string, 1st string, and then G, 6 and 1st and 2nd string, then we go back to B minor. So B minor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then now G, for G is 6, 2nd and 1st string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 2nd string and 1st string, and then 6, 1st string and 2nd string, and then brush down 3rd, 1st and 2nd string, and then again G, 6, 2nd and 1st string, and then brush down again one more time, and then 6th string, 2nd and 1st string, and then A sus4 3 times. Down and down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay? And then A. So again, our intro. Okay, now we go to our first verse. The picking pattern for verse 1 is bass, 2nd and 1st string, and then 3rd string, 1st and 2nd string together, back to 3rd string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that will be our picking pattern for verse 1. So, and then for D, 1, 2, for A A slash C sharp. Your bass will be on the fourth fret of fifth string. Okay, so pinch fifth string first and second, and then B minor. Okay, so that will be our picking pattern for the first verse, and then there are G, same picking pattern, and then A sus 2. There are moments when you're driving me mad. A sus 4. So same picking and then A. So for A only one fifth string, first and second string, and then third string, and then first and second string. There are moments when you're driving me mad. There are seconds for this same picking. Again, A slash C sharp, same picking. There are seconds when I see the light. B minor, same picking, and then G, same picking, and then F sharp, sustain. So bar on the second fret, and then put your pinky, your ring finger and middle finger on the third fret of fifth, fourth, and third string. So pick, same picking, and then F sharp. One beat only, and then B. There's something you don't understand. So for B minor, same picking. For E minor, 6 first and second string, and then third string, and then A. So for A minor, 2 beats, and then A, 2 beats also, and then D, same picking, 4 beats, and then same picking, E minor, same picking, and then A sus 4, same picking, and then A, 1 beat only. And now we go to our chorus. Chorus is strumming. So the strumming pattern for chorus is down, down, up, down, up. So 5. Just remember chords with 2 dashes is 2 measures. So this down, down, up, and then one more time down, down. Okay, and then those with 1 dash, 1 measure only. Okay, so for 1 measure, down, down, up, down, up. There's nothing to lose, your lot to win. Hoping so bad that you let me in. I'm at your feet, waiting for you. I got time and nothing to lose. Okay, that's our intro. And now we go to our third verse. Same picking, same as verse 1. So I'll just play it. But this time you can combine picking and strumming. There are times I live in you. There's moments when I feel close to you. There are times I think that I am your home. So many times I feel unsure. There's some combination of picking and strumming. Or you can simply strum. That's up to you. It's acceptable. Now we go to, and then we repeat the chorus. After chorus, we have the bridge. So I have to play the chorus. Nothing to y'all out to win. Hoping so bad that you let me in. I'm at your feet, waiting for you. I got time and nothing to love. And then we proceed to the bridge. Same strumming, B flat. I'll always be around. Keep an eye on you. My patience is strong. I won't let you run. You are the only one. And then repeat chorus. Nothing you'll have to win. Hoping so bad that you let me in. I'm at your feet, waiting for you. I got time and nothing to love. Oh yeah, I've got time and nothing to. Okay, that's our outro. So it's almost the same as the intro, but a little bit. So for picking for D minor, the same. Fourth string, the second and first string, and then third, second, first, and then A. Same picking. Fourth, fifth string, first and second string, and then third, second string, 3 beats only, and then B minor, fifth string, first and second string, third string, second string, first string, and then fifth string and first and second string. So and then third string, left of your pinky, second fret, second string, and then G, down, down, up, A, down, up, and then G, upstroke. Okay, that's it, guys. It's easy. Just remember the, in a way, you got your, okay, that's it. Let me show you your lyrics and chords. Okay, your intro and outro on the side. Okay, so our next lesson will be Take Me to Your Heart, because Take Me to Your Heart. So also Michael Learns to Rock. This is very easy because no picking, all strumming. Okay, so okay, that's it, guys. Have a good day. Please like, share, comments. You can also make a request. and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, see you next time.